Okay, I'm going around saying what everybody's thankful for. So, Papa, what are you thankful for this year? Me?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, the
You're
photographer.
mean. That was mine.
And the photographer's younger sister. And the photographer's older sister.
I don't have an older
Oh.
sister.
Okay.
Okay. Interesting. Haley, what are you thankful for this year?
My family being
Grandpa.
here.
Oh. Yeah, that was mine.
And Grandpa.
Okay. Uncle David, what are you thankful for this year?
I'm thankful for the football, turkey, and the family get-togethers.
And to think about that last one. What are you thankful for this year?
I'm thankful that we're all together and everyone's happy and having a good time, and for our health and for you and everything. I'm just thankful for life. I love life.
That's good.
I do.
Okay, let's go see what other people have
Okay.
to be thankful for. Madre, Dad's making me go around seeing what people are thankful for. So what are you thankful for this year?
Thanksgiving.
So enthusiastic.
I'd be more enthusiastic if you went to the next person.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I feel horrible.
Okay, going to the kitchen. Nana.
Oh.
Dad's making me go around seeing what people are thankful for this year. So what are you thankful for?
I'm thankful to have a wonderful family to be around today. Family and friends.
It's good. Jen, what are you thankful for this year?
I'm thankful everyone is happy and healthy and we are able to spend this time together.
That sounds like a prayer.
Very good. Yay, go me.
Jesse, what are you thankful for this year?
Huh?
What are you thankful for this year?
Um,
That was very attractive, huh, by the way?
what? Huh? I am thankful for, I don't know, being able to go to college as a junior and having a job and being with my boyfriend.
Thanks for mentioning your family.
Oh God, thanks. Sorry.
Okay, moving on. Ben, what are you thankful for this year?
Meeting Darby.
Aww.
Oh yeah, you honor him.
Yeah, no. What are you thankful for this year, Curtis?
Weenus.
Can we be serious? What are you thankful for?
Weenus, my girlfriend. Yeah.
Your girlfriend? Thanks for saying her name to us.
Oh, please.
Okay, now let's find Dad. Wherever he is.
Your dad's out front looking for you.
What are you thankful for this year?
Are you already done?
Yeah.
I'm thankful for having a beautiful family, with very beautiful daughters, and thankful I'm alive. Thankful we got family here, all celebrating Thanksgiving. And I just thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Jen's, what she's thankful for sounded like a prayer.
And what are you thankful for, you darling daughter?
I am thankful that, I don't know, that, no close-ups. I'm thankful that we're all here as a family and stuff, and that we can all eat dinner together and quit it.
Cut.